Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So, if you remember the boxes that I showed you last week, these are the boxes that I ordered off of Amazon or Timo. I believe it was Amazon, but I will post the link to them. And we folded the box up there, and it has its own tie to it. So this is the boxes that we can lay down, close them up, and tie that pretty bow at the bottom of it. So what I did was I took the prayer bags, which are the makeup bags with the Bible verses on them, and I added those containers that say "Give it to God" that we got at Dollar Tree. And inside of those, there's a pen and a little pad where you can write your thoughts down. Anything you want to give to God, write it down on that little piece of paper in your box there. And I included a candle. I decorated the little window with some roses. And I think that this is a very cute gift set for that praying woman. I wrapped the box with ribbon, and this is how our concept looks. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.